Hey folks, Mr. McStache, and we are in a place called Echo Bay, Ontario. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay, that is correct. Lake Marsh area to be Lake George Marsh to be exact. But somebody told me one time, his name was Pete's 911. Look him up. That to understand Canada, as we said, because we was talking about the language barrier and all that. He said to understand Canada, you must first know what a loonie and a toonie is. That right there, that's the world's largest toonie. So, loonie. Oh, it's the world's largest loonie. You're
supposed to know.
I don't even know any. Okay, so the language barrier is still there for me, but Mrs. McStache has got it whooped. So, Pete, does that work? Is that how it works? Is the world's largest loonie?
That's it.
Oh, you didn't know? Like, take off, you hosers. We don't have any of that. So that's why we're coming.
It says in 2012, Canada's most striking coin had its 25th birthday. More than 1.5 billion have been produced, and the loonie, as it is affectionately called, has become the symbol of Canada. It even played a good luck role in the 2002 Salt Lake City Winter Olympic Games, when loonie was frozen in the surface of the entire ice. Both Canada's hockey teams won gold, and the legend continues.
Oh, so they cheated? Is that what that?
They cheated. That's what it sounds like. Okay, we showed you the loonie, but we are currently on the Lake George Marsh boardwalk. And we've been on the boardwalk in Virginia. We've been on a boardwalk in Myrtle Beach. Now we're on a boardwalk in Canidan. A little bit less sand.
Eh?
A little bit less sand, but still wooden walkway.
Birds.
Migratory birds. That would be Canadian geese. They migrate. And I saw it was a commercial. They had for Canada Energy or something like that.
Yeah.
And it featured a ruby throat hummingbird, which do make it to Canada, but I think they're only here for a month.
Yeah. A little cold for them.
They hit Ohio in about April, I think it was. Isn't that what we figured out?
Yeah,
it was about
late April, mid-May, or
early May.
April, early May.
Yeah, late April, early May, which means it would probably take about another month to get up there. And they're probably already headed back, so they're not here very long. Uh-oh. Marsh provides breeding for the bald eagle. How about that? So there you go, folks. Echo Bay and the world's largest loonie as we stare at the Adams Leaning Wheel Grader.
Number 7.
We want to say thank you to our Patreon members. These guys here, for less than $1 a month, you can join them and help support the local veterans of our community.
That's what we like to say. Love on your family.
Check on a buddy.
And when you get back out there, keep it rubber side down.
We'll see you next one, folks.
Bye-bye.